to tell you about them because hell, you'll see them when people get through with their video edits. If you ain't looking for those people that are slow on video edits, though, because they'll have you waiting. That's what I tell them. Oh man, we doing this on your channel and it's all your stuff. All right, but because then whenever you never see it again because they lost it in video edits, you're like, man, that's crazy. It was just another day for me. So when I'm live for a reason. But right now we doing the homework because in 2025 you got to do your own work. Hell, I could collaborate with anybody, but that don't mean it's gonna be exactly what it's supposed to be. It's just two people meeting each other and being on camera. Hell, it gets way deeper than that out here for us because you know how we do.
Sung Jin Woo is taking looks maxing to the max.
This guy talking about Sun Jin Woo. That's definitely some solo leveling talk, but hey, that'll be on Spider Pig. We had just posted the video to Rumble as seen in this Rumble video. I mean, we can go look at it right here. Right here. Yep. View that. Let's see. Did it finish uploading? It's been long enough. All right. First things first. You want to always do this. Be the first person to like your video. Always. If your video's been posted, you should be one of the first people liking it. You dig? And we promote that. Yes, you like your own videos, ass niggas. Be that guy, because first of all, you believe in yourself. Nobody else gonna like your video. You did, motherfucker. That's why you recorded it and edited it and all of that shit. You don't put in all that time and not like your own work. Hell, what the fuck? Quit being weird, as they say. It would be weird not to like your own video. What the fuck you mean? But that's beside the point. Anyways, y'all know the Rumble side of it. Y'all know the Rumble side of it. Let's show you my content and show you what I be thinking about on my end. Yeah, there's that solo leveling time review. That'll be on Spider Pig probably tomorrow. Since it was recorded on Saturday, it'll be on Rumble Sunday, and then it'll be on YouTube Monday. So that's how that goes. Shout out to Spider Pig. He'll probably post it on his Buy Me a Coffee because that's how Spider Pig does his Buy Me a Coffee. He'll make sure he posts his videos on the Buy Me a Coffee side because as you've seen, you get multiple views on things you post on Buy Me a Coffee. And if you're posting your Rumble link or your YouTube link, then that means that's transferring people from Buy Me a Coffee to Rumble and YouTube if they actually are looking at your post. And then, well, say for instance, it's only a link to a video, then that'll take them to the video. But hell, that's them going down the rabbit hole. Shout out to converting people from one app to another. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. Sometimes they mad at you because now they're in YouTube. How the fuck I get a YouTube? God damn it, Fred. It's Sunday. Watch what you're saying. Oh, yeah, Billy. Oh, shh. Anyways, we was rapping real good for a minute, too, right? Right. But anyways, let's see. I mean, y'all done seen me use Buy Me a Coffee to get paid, which is hilarious. Your boy showed you. And we went through and pulled some money today, which will be the 27th. You ain't got to wait once a month to get paid. Shout out to not being monetized on YouTube. And then you seen I only pulled out $12.18. It ain't much, but hey, if you need that for gas, at least you had that. Hey, come pick me up, buddy. Yeah, but anyways, like I said, y'all can set y'all stuff up and do whatever you need to do with your Buy Me a Coffee as far as your stores and your products and services. So, hey, your content can always be supported through your Buy Me a Coffee, and your Buy Me a Coffee will definitely yeah, bring in its own benefits. And hey, I'd rather give y'all 8% than 30, right? Right. Hey, make that part easy on yourself. But hell, people do what they do out here. I just give you monetization coaching benefits on it. Let you know what I'm doing and how easy that is for your boy, right? Yeah, you can actually get that done